Turkey wings, get your turkey wings! No, there's, you know...
Is that how you want to start this video?
Absolutely it is. When I think about turkey wings, you know, I think about turkey legs, right? And walking around fair style and North Carolina State Fair and Azalea Festival. I mean, look at these things, okay? I didn't even go to the store to get these. I went there's still the construction going on. This is good stuff. We're making progress on the KJ barbecue deck, okay? But I went for chicken wings, and I got chicken wings. You know, I did. But I saw these babies, and I said, "You got to be kidding me!" It's a known fact that Benjamin Franklin did not want the bald eagle to be the national bird, but rather the indigenous turkey. Okay, a much more noble bird. Really, really cool animal. And I loved during Thanksgiving. I loved the wings. Okay, I always spatchcock my turkey, and I half Nelson the wings back, and then I end up going for those.
Is that the actual culinary term for that?
Well, half Nelson, full Nelson, half Nelson, I think. Yeah,
100%.
So I think I want to leave these tips on. I'm gonna brine them in a pickle brine, and what I do is, you know, you can buy all kinds of pickle brines and make them. I save the brines after I eat the pickles, and so, you know, we'll just kind of toss that in there like that. And we're looking for about a 30-minute brine here. This is very dill, very garlic, kind of vinegar, you know, so about 30 minutes will do. We're not making turkey and chicken ceviche.
So this is just pickle juice and whatever else was in there?
This is pickle juice. That's it.
That's beautiful.
Yeah. And, you know, they're going to take about an hour and 15 minutes at 350 degrees, okay? You want them falling apart. You want that internal temperature of about $170, something like that. And I'll trim some of this stuff off. If I wanted to get that brine in there real quick, I would take that wingtip off, but that's just not as impressive as that. So I'm going to leave it on there. If I had a plastic bag, I could, or a cryovac, we could do that and just slosh it around.
So there's just what, 30 minutes to an hour? Just
30 minutes to an hour, no more than 3 hours. You could knock a little soy in here if you wanted, but I think we're just gonna go ahead and let these marinate for 30 minutes.
See you back in 30?
See you back in 30. So we got another 15 minutes or so on our turkey and chicken brine in the pickle juice. I wanted to go ahead and put a char on these beautiful poblanos. And so I've got a little bit of oil here. I'm just gonna use my 3 fingers and just get a little oil on the outside of both. Come on in here, I'm gonna drop these directly on the charcoal. I'm not gonna bother with the grill grates, as I don't wanna cook the pepper. I just want to char the outside, the skin. I want that roasted flavor. Let's snap, crackle, pop. Notice how I've got all my charcoal ramped up? That's kind of just throwing heat right up that wedge. Let's take a look. That's pretty good. I want it slightly more aggressive. So you can see all the roasted flavor just building on the outside. I see a lot of chefs that will put these under running water to take the skin off. For me, that's a huge no-no, right? You're washing off 50% of what we've worked so hard to achieve. So I want to see you using a paper towel. We've got the old trick where you've got a bowl with saran wrap. You put the peppers in there, cover it up, and let it kind of steam for a couple minutes. Makes it a lot easier to wipe off that skin. But the point here, the goal here, is to get that beautiful roasted poblano flavor into our ranch, making it a green chili ranch. Because we want to put it a little over the top than just a ranch dip. While those are steaming in the bowl, I'm gonna knock this bed of charcoal down so I have even heat. I don't have a whole ton of charcoal in here, so I'm gonna do these wings direct. If you're not comfortable with doing that, you can, for 300 degrees, you can do them indirect if you like. Again, I'm using the Big Joe 3, so I have 3 layers of height. I'm gonna put my grill grates at the top level of the divide and conquer system. So furthest away from the heat, but a direct 350 degree grill. Okay, back to our poblanos. Magic, magic, magic. So again, you're gonna take your paper towel and watch this. Isn't that cool? You see that again?
Boom, do it again.
Ooh, it's hot. You can even put this bowl in the refrigerator if you want to. just to cool things down. I've been out of the industry too long. I got soft little non-chef hands now. Unbelievable. That is a clean poblano. Don't you dare put it under the sink and wash off all the flavor. That really burns my bacon. And we're gonna take the top off and just get rid of some of those seeds. There's a lot of flavor here. And we're just gonna tear these up with our hand. I've already got, I don't know, 2 cups of ranch in there. So I do about a cup of ranch per poblano. I go a little aggressive. And that's gonna tighten this up as well. Notice I didn't char these till they were like really brown. I've done that before and it's a good flavor, but it's an off color for your ranch, you know? It's an off color. Check this out. Sometimes you get lucky and you can just take that whole seed pod out and we're off to the races. All right, so in. And I haven't even thought about this. I don't know if we should do like a buffalo sauce on these turkey wings or if we just go straight dry rub. I like a dry rub wing, especially if I have like a bold dipping sauce anyway. I don't like to do smoke on my poultry wings, whether that's a duck wing or a chicken wing. I find that smoke, like too much smoke, makes the skin kind of rubbery. And I know you can reverse sear them, right? Crank it up and then finish them on the grill. But if I just go straight and use only the smoke from the drippings of the wings, I find that it's absolutely perfect. And I do flip them about halfway through. Just a little thing that I found. We wouldn't even call that a pro tip, just something I found. All right, let's see. Do you want to get the shot where it's in there spinning around like you see on Food Network? We've got some chunks in there. It's a good texture. Very poblano-y. And we'll get a little bit of heat out of that too. Poblano-y?
Poblano-y.
Yeah. That's a good ranch. Here we go. About 10 more minutes left on that brine. As you can imagine, these turkey wings are going to take a little longer to cook than the chicken wings. But I'm thinking we put them on at the same time and then we could be snacking on the chicken wings while we're waiting for the turkey wings. This is brilliant.
I like the way you think.
You like that? You like that? Presentation side down first. So, bet you didn't think about that, right? There is a presentation side. That would not be it. That's your presentation side. So we're going to put that side down first so we can ensure that we get nice caramelization, and we're going to go hard. Lane's Barbecue brisket seasoning, and it's really exactly what you think it would be. Salt, pepper, garlic, and I think there's a little thyme in there. That's beautiful. Go ahead and get the other side too. Why not? Let osmosis begin. And I'm glad we left the tip on them too. I think it just speaks to how large they are. And I love turkey. I don't think it needs to be a once a year kind of thing. I'm sure Butterball would agree. But this is just, it's gorgeous. I'll show you what we'll do for the rest of these. I'm not patient. We're gonna get rid of the brine. Spread these babies out with our non-chicken hand. Just kind of go for it. And again, we're looking for that presentation side down first. Because the charcoal is kind of towards the center, I'm gonna put the drumette towards the outside. When I'm doing my spatchcock turkey, I'm looking at about an hour and a half or so. So I think probably 45 minutes on the wings. So I'm gonna flip them halfway through, and I'm thinking probably an hour and 15 on the turkey. Hearing a little sizzle right now. Let's check back in 25 minutes. And I'm gonna stabilize this at 325 on the nose. Beauty. Turkey leg, get your turkey leg. All right. It has been about 25 minutes and I'm already loving what I see on the edge of this. Look at that. It's just bubbling underneath the skin. Based upon what I see right here, I'd say let's leave it on for a little bit longer.
You said we're at 25 minutes right about now?
Yeah, 25 minutes. And we were gonna flip, but I think I'm feeling good to leave these. I wanna render some of this out. Let's check the wingos. Shoot, that's pretty right there. So I will flip the wings, but I think the turkey wings, the turkey arms we'll leave on right now as is. So a little longer on some. That's okay. We got nothing else to do. This is great.
Nothing else to do but eat delicious food, man.
I know. I can't wait. Winter turkey dinner.
How much longer?
Let's check back again in 25 minutes. That gives us time to go get a beverage.
All right.
Yep.
You gotta get the hip right.
Oh, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Look at,
Oh, beautiful.
look at that. We are in no rush with these babies. I'm starting to stack the turkey wingtips kind of up. Notice how I've got them off of the grill grate, just because they've already got such great smoke and color on them. And look here too, at the bone is starting to reveal a little bit, so the meat's pulling back. Magic is truly happening. We're going to start the stack method, where we kind of layer things. And look at this.
Beauty.
It's just starting to pull back a little bit. Yeah, this is good stuff, team. Hang in there. All right, we're just going to leave that like that, and we'll check back in another 30 minutes. We're winning. Look at that great color. Got the stack effect going on. I love the color on this turkey wing. I want that bone to come through a little bit further. We said these were going to finish up first, and I think they definitely have. See, we're seeing some great retracting going on there. We can even give them the chicken based.
Chicken based.
Treat it like a larger roast.
Oh, you got tricks. You got tricks, chef.
Look at all this smoke too. We didn't have to add wood chunks, which again I think attack the skin in a weird way with poultry and make it a little tough. All the smoke is just from the natural rendering and dripping. And I'll show you how tender these guys are. You know it's tender when the skin on the joints are starting to just give way by themselves. But all that juice now, it's just rendering down. We're gonna let this happen for another 10 minutes. These chicken wings got a secret. They got a secret to tell, but we got to hang out with them for a little bit longer. 10 more minutes and we're donezo. Oh yeah. Here we go. It has been an hour and 15 minutes on the dot. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, look at it. It's just, and you can even see all of the grease kind of rendering and frying, self-frying, if that's a thing. Look. All right, so when plating up, I'm thinking plate architecture. Holy cow. I'm gonna put the big guys on the bottom, kind of cradling that green chili ranch that we made together earlier. It's crazy how easy this is too, you know? I mean, I gotta get 2 more on here.
We might need a second platter for wings.
Jeez. I think you're right. I hate to say it. I mean, should we go on? I feel like we're gonna we're asking for trouble. Guys, team, we're asking for trouble. All right, let's not get greedy. We've done a beautiful thing here. We're all a little excited. Okay, let's just slow it down. Check this out. That's absolutely stunning. Okay, and they're getting more and more tender as we're just leaving them here hanging out. If I bit into this right now, I'd have a mouthful of burnt tongue. All right, so I'm not gonna do that. We're just gonna set it down. We're gonna take a deep breath. It's hard not to get excited about this. I'm gonna get another platter and we're gonna plate up I got a cutting board.
There we go.
Hey! I think the thing I like about the chicken wing is just, again, how easy it is on the Kamado Joe. You know, we're just playing around. We're checking it out every 10 to 15 minutes. It's fun to watch the color change on the skin.
I'm most excited about that crispy skin. Look at that.
And that is just a mess of deliciousness right there. I know it looks a little silly with the platters. I should have had one big platter, but whatever. All right, you know what I mean? Choose whatever platter you like at home. I'm gonna let these cool off a little bit, then we're gonna try them together.
I thought you were gonna leave it.
I'm not.
I thought you were leaving it on 2 separate platters.
Dude, I can't do it. I can't do it. Like, the chef in me is screaming like plate architecture. There's a little guy inside my brain throwing a freaking tantrum right now because I got a white plate and a wooden cutting board on a wooden table, and it's just, what am I supposed to do with this?
Couldn't help yourself.
I need it just on one platter. I need the big wings in the center. I need the little wings around the outside. I need the green chili ranch right in the center.
All right, well, here we go.
Now we're talking.
Feel better about yourself?
Now we're talking. All right, so where was I? We got this beautiful turkey leg. I can't get turkey leg out of my head. Turkey wing and chicken wing with green chili ranch platter. Look at the colors on that. Why would you put a sauce? I mean, I can understand like a buffalo sauce on the side or something like that, but you don't mess with that. You don't get a nice crispy skin and then douse it in sauce that's gonna sit, you know? And I see the one that's got my name on it too. All right, let's just do it. It's smoking hot.
Give it a second.
All right, no.
Maybe.
There it is.
Found it.
Found it. Yahtzee. Yeah, it's got good crunch. I want that bite right there on top of the bone. I gotta put it down though. I mean, all right, so going for the chicken. I don't know which one I like better, to be honest with you. I think there's a wow factor with the turkey wing, but it's hard to beat a great chicken wing, you know? And I didn't even put it in the green chili ranch yet. Let's I'm not gonna double dip. All right, here we go. Oh, watch this. This is one of those situations where you just grab that bone and pull it right out.
Oh yeah.
And then you just go in, you know. Good googly. I like your chicken wing. Wow.
Where'd you go?
Well, I don't know. I'm gonna do it myself. If you enjoyed this video, we're gonna put the recipes down below. It's really a method more than a recipe. But don't forget to hit that subscribe, hit that like button, hit notifications, and don't forget to leave us a comment down below. From Chef Eric Gephart, Kamado Joe, cheers to you, team. I can see the Instagram comments now.
Look at that plate
Look at
architecture.
that plate. What is that guy doing?